In the kitchen area we've got this omnivent, which is a 12 volt, so again you need your master switch turned on. You have a little dial button which you twist and that will open up the roof lights. In the corner of the roof lights you've got 3 buttons. The middle button turns it on and you'll have a display. And you've got a little picture which is telling us that it's drawing the air out of the motorhome. Great for when you're burning the toast, but in the hotter days when you want some fresh air to circulate through the motorhome, you push a button which has got the arrow pointed in towards the motorhome. We should see the fan rotate in the opposite direction, and now we've got air blowing through the motorhome. Turn it off. The blackout blind, you pinch the 2 levers together and you slide it across until it clicks in place. You will be able to keep that half open, half shut if you choose to do so.